Outstanding design defines the 2011 Toyota Sequoia. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 14 speakers, yielding maximum audio versatility. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate no matter how far the drive. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including front and side impact airbags, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Toyota's comprehensive certification process. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.